Welcome to PUBG Mobile. Your training is about to begin. Drag forward with your left hand, swipe the screen with your right hand to control where you're looking. Next, pick up the firearm. Pick up the ammo. There's the target. Tap right fire button to shoot. Congratulations on defeating your enemies. Your enemies' supplies are inside the death crate they left behind. Go take a look. Check the crate. Pick up the scope. The enemy is too far. You tap left fire button to shoot. You took them down. Great work. Let's take a look at the reward. Check the crate. Pick up the supplies. Health for the bandage can only restore up to 75 points of health. The blue zone has appeared. Tap the flashing blue area, the flashing yellow, the flashing white area is the next. The blue zone will tap the button to close the play zone is about to shrink. Get to the play zone as you've made it this far. Finish off the rest to claim victory. I need consumables.